Hello guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change your brakes on a 2008 Ford Focus. Next, make sure your fluid is open before you start changing your brakes. After that, you will want to take off the wheel. I already did, and then we'll take these nut off. This one right here. Now once we've taken this bolt off, which came from right here, you can see, you can now pry this, lift it like so, and there you go. Now you can just remove, because I already just removed. The brakes like so. Sorry about the poor quality. Oh, there you go. That's easier way. Just use those brackets and pull. It should come right off. That easy, man. Just like that. And then your part came with this. You just take this off as well. The flathead screwdriver should take it off easily, just like that. And then this one, there you go. He's on. Oh, sorry guys, to work with me. It's that easy to just should click right in on the top as well, which goes right here. Now to put these on. You have to go like this. Recommend to put the top in first. Oh, just the back side actually. Let me get the other ones. Where's the other ones? Oh, right here. So you want to pull this back like that, and this one as well. And then, so I'm just working with one hand, guys. Like I said, put the top first. Like so. Make it easier for you guys. Put the top first, and then this bracket you just push down and push down a little bracket so that the brake can go in. Now for the back side, this is how the front one looks like, all flush. Now the same thing for the back one. Next, once you have all your brakes set like that, make sure you press these down, the back side too. We press the piston. We'll be using the C-clamp. C-clamp to push the piston. Okay, guys. And you compress the piston. You can bring the caliper down. Set it like so, and there you go. And now you just put this screw back in. Here. Yeah, that easy.
I'm fixing it. Cause I'm fixing it.
Once you tighten this, next thing to do is fill up the brake fluid, and then pump the brake, and you're all set.